Okay, so I got the engine on the bench now. I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of inspect some of it in here, take off some of the, kind of the ancillary things, and we'll see what we got. Okay, the water pump cover, plate. Okay, so I did already pull part of the clutch out, took off the cover, and pulled off the pressure plate and the clutch pack, but we'll go ahead and do it again for this video. So this is a this is a really nice Hinson inner basket, but it is starting to show some wear and a little bit of grooving on the face here. So I called Hinson and they said they can't really do anything about it. They can't refinish it, so we'll have to go ahead and replace that. Now, the outer basket, as you can see here, has quite a bit of chatter, wear and grooving. So this thing is toast. The teeth are all kind of chewed up, all chattered and chewed up, so definitely gonna have to get a new outer basket. Okay, let's take off the right side cover. Okay, the water pump gear looks pretty good. Gear on the clutch basket looks good. Transmission spline looks good. Our kickstart gear know, I'm not seeing anything that's standing out as being broken or wrong, so looks okay. Governor looks okay. Okay, so the fork on the power valve governor is a little chewed up and chipped, so I do have another one of those in the governor spare set, so we'll get that fixed.
Pull this out. Yeah.
Okay, so this is as far as I'm going to tear down on the bottom end. I'm going to take this down to an engine builder in my area. There'll be more on that to come. So as of right now, I'm just going to be in the phase of just acquiring the parts that I know I'm going to need, and you know, take a little bit of time to accumulate that, and then once we kind of have all that basic parts that I'm going to need, I'll go ahead and take all that down there, and then we'll continue with the engine build. So more to come on that later. All right, we got our exhaust valve here, pretty crusty and crummy, so we're going to go ahead and start cleaning her up.
Sounds dry.
All right, well, I got the heavy stuff off. Now I'm going to put it in the parts washer and then ultrasonic cleaner. Try to soften up some more of that carbon. Clean her up.
Sounds dry.
All right, so I ended up using something different to clean off the exhaust valve here. The wire wheel was just kind of making a mess. It started shredding and getting everywhere, and it was taking forever to clean. So I got these cleaning wheels from Prime MX, and he has ones in different abrasiveness. This one worked really good. I actually used a smaller one in this, but that's just an example. And it really took all that carbon off. Polished it up really nicely. Now I just got to get it in ultrasonic cleaner, try to clean out some of that baked on carbon in there. These work great. Okay, so I'm getting the frame ready for vapor blasting, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the steering stem bearings. I went ahead and popped this race out here. The bottom one, I'm going to take the top one out. I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of heat and take a long punch. Just kind of gently knock it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a heat gun because my propane ran out and I don't feel like grabbing the other one. So this one's right here. put it on high. There it goes. Here it comes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up these radiators. I am going to send them out to ICW. He's going to straighten them out and weld them up and support them for me. But before we do that, he needs them clean. So put a little Dawn in a bucket, put some hot water in there, and we're going to scrub them up. Okay, so I have a brush here, a mother's brush. It's a soft brush. It's for car wheels. And I use it on my car wheels. It's really soft, so it won't scratch up or anything. So I'll use this. And go ahead and give her a dunk. Alright, so I had to move to a little more aggressive cleaning, Scotch pad. Really helps kind of get some of that staining off. You can kind of see it before and after. Some elbow grease. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just rinse this off. There you go. Let ICW work his magic. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. I'll continue to drop videos as the project continues. Until then, ride on.